Hi, let me tell you about how you can use Seesaw in your classroom. It is a very fun and exciting app. First, you need to download this app, on your iPad or your Mac. Once you have this downloaded, it's very simple and easy to use. When you open the app, it should look like this. There are many options here, and these are all the different pages you can go to when you're using the Seesaw app, and you can have for fun time sending messages to your parents. You can use a photo from these options, and you can click on this to create, and it can create an icon here which will be your classroom page. You can also use this X button. This is what you will be pressing to add to the different pages in your Seesaw. You can pick different colors which will help you differentiate different classrooms. Once you pick a color, click on that, and then it becomes your background color in your class theme. You can post using this button. You can post to the student journal or send an announcement. You can pick pictures and videos or drawings to show student work to parents. You can add an item to this page. You can post to the student journal through this. When you want to create a class announcement, you open this and you can choose. You can send it to one parent or you can send it to the entire class. This is how your announcement looks like. This is an option of a journal that you're seeing when you click on the journal. These are all the pages that the students have created, and you can scroll through this whole page to see what their work so far. There's another fun option. You can also use the calendar in the Seesaw. When you click on this, it'll tell you how many items have been added on that particular date. So for example, on 5th of June, there were 8 items that were added by your student, and you can check them out. On 6th June, there were 4 items added. So there is a lot of stuff you can do on Seesaw. When you go into the blog, you can also see the different types of adventures that the kids are having in a classroom. So we moved from journal, now we are in blog. And it is very personalized, and there is a date, and you can go and check all the activities that have been done. Now we are going to skills. And it's a very fun way to know where your student is. All the students are here, and the teacher is posting this, and this is what the teacher looks like. But if you're a parent, you can click on your student and know where they are. Now we are in the inbox, and this is how the messages look like. And these are the family announcement, which everybody can see. But if you want to look at individual announcements, you need to click on the student and you can see the individual announcements. And the parents can also send announcements, which is very easy for the teacher to see. Since this app is also on a smartphone or an iPad, it is very easily accessible. This way you're in constant touch with your classroom teacher. You can also be in different classes. You can move this page and you can go to the back of the page and you can create a new class, or you can see which other classes you are in. This is how the student views the page. So this is Lily's page, and this is how it looks like to her. And she can go and use all these options. She's in Mrs. B's 4th grade class, and this is her page, her journal work. If you see, you can also post comments and like her post. This is her inbox with her comments that her teacher has given for her. So now we are back in Mrs. V's 4th grade page and in Lily's journal. So as you saw, Seesaw is a very fun app to download in a classroom.